Starting a business but low on cash? Here's a secret. You can get free products from China, legally. Let's show you how. Imagine launching your dream business without the heavy burden of upfront costs. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. Many entrepreneurs are leveraging a little-known strategy to source products directly from China without spending a dime. This method is not only legal but also incredibly effective. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of how you can tap into this opportunity. From finding reliable suppliers to understanding the logistics of shipping, we've got you covered. You'll learn how to negotiate deals, what to look out for to avoid scams, and how to ensure the quality of the products you receive. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your existing business, this guide will provide you with the tools and knowledge you need to succeed. So grab a notebook and get ready to take some notes. Your journey to becoming a successful entrepreneur starts here. Suppliers on Alibaba and MadeInChina.com offer free product samples to serious buyers. You just need to request them properly. Tip 1. Always position yourself as a business, not an individual. This is crucial for establishing credibility and trust with your audience. When you use a professional email address, it signals to others that you are serious and committed to your work. A professional email address should ideally include your business name, which helps in brand recognition and recall. Additionally, having a well-designed website can significantly enhance your professional image. Your website acts as a digital storefront showcasing your services, products, and expertise. It provides potential clients or customers with a place to learn more about you and what you offer. Make sure your website is easy to navigate, visually appealing, and contains all the necessary information someone might need to make a decision about working with you. In today's digital age, these elements are not just optional. They are essential for standing out in a crowded marketplace. Tip 2. Offer future large orders if the samples meet your quality expectations. Tip 3. Be polite but firm. Ask for samples with shipping paid by you. It shows you're serious. Many suppliers will send small quantities at no charge just to win your future business. This strategy lets you test products without risking thousands of dollars. When you're starting a new business or launching a new product line, the initial investment can be daunting. However, by leveraging the willingness of suppliers to provide free samples, you can significantly reduce your upfront costs. This approach not only allows you to evaluate the quality and suitability of the products, but also helps you build relationships with potential suppliers. Imagine being able to compare different products side by side, assessing their features, and determining which ones best meet your needs without spending a fortune. This can be particularly beneficial for small businesses or startups that need to be mindful of their budget. Moreover, receiving samples can give you a better understanding of the supplier's reliability and customer service. Are they prompt in their communication? Do they deliver on time? These are crucial factors that can influence your decision-making process. In addition, testing products in small quantities allows you to gather feedback from your team and even potential customers. This feedback can be invaluable in making informed decisions and ensuring that the products you choose to invest in will be well received in the market. Ultimately, this strategy of obtaining free samples can be a game changer, providing you with the confidence to make smart, cost-effective decisions for your business. Want more zero-budget business hacks? Subscribe now, because smart hustlers win big!